No!
Somebody, oh!
He needs some milk!
What's up, Airsofters? Back at it again with a new upgrade video. I ain't gonna cap, this is the best gas pistol I've ever had. As we go forward, please subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell so you guys get notified when I post. As you can see in the title, today I'm going to show you how I upgraded my Gen 5 Glock 17 from this right here to this. That's a nice gun, isn't it? Before we get into it, let me show you what attachments I'm going to be using to upgrade this beast. First, I got the threaded outer barrel. I bought it on Evite. Unlike the stock one, there is nothing labeled on it. This thing cost me 40 bucks, that's crazy. Next, I got my tactical pistol LED flashlight. It comes in this little box right here with 2 Allen keys and a CR123A battery. I bought it on Airsoft and more. It is very bright. The best part about it's that it has strobe. You can blind your opponents while shooting at them. Third, I got a tracer unit. I bought it on Evite. Look how small this thing is, guys. It's worth it though. Keep in mind that if you get a tracer unit, you must buy tracer BBs as well. The tracer won't light up regular BBs. Lastly, I got this type of magazine base plate. It makes the gun look better in my opinion, but this one keeps on slipping out of the magazine. If you want one, I would suggest you to buy a different brand. Now that you know what attachments I use, let's get straight to it, no cap. Grab a set of Allen keys and put it aside. Grab your gun and start by removing the mag. Next, pull the slide and lock it back by pushing the slide lock up. You see these 2 switches on the sides of the gun? They call them the slide release. Push them down simultaneously, unlock the slide and it should come out. Now put the frame away and let's take the slide apart. Start by removing the recoil spring. Keep in mind that removing the recoil spring on the Gen 5 is not as simple as removing it on the Gen 4. This is because of the adjustable hop-up. To remove it on the Gen 5, grab an Allen key and start playing with the hop-up. Turn it counterclockwise till this little gap faces the barrel. Remove the recoil spring and take the barrel out. Should be easy. Now take your inner barrel out of your outer barrel. This is sometimes challenging to do on the Gen 5. Just put some pressure on it and it will come out. Now grab the threaded outer barrel and slide the inner barrel in it. Take your slide and assemble it. Don't forget to readjust your hop-up. Pick up the frame and put the slide on it. Now let's add the flashlight. Make sure the screws are loose and slide it on the rail. Do not screw it tightly. Screw it just enough for the screws to stay in place. Time to add the suppressor. Screw it on the barrel and that's it. Grab your mag. Replace the regular base plate by the bigger one. slide the magazine in the gun, and that's it. We're done. I like it, Picasso.
I got him, he's out. Black shirt, tan loadout, down.
I was legit laying down at the toilet, man.
But we literally have to kill everybody that's trying to get him to their side.
Not right?
Yeah, that's...
Ready.